The elegant gazelle. Nature's graceful speedster gazelles are among the most iconic creatures of the savanna, known for their grace, speed, and adaptability. These herbivorous animals belong to the antelope family and are found in various habitats across Africa and parts of Asia. This video delves deep into their diet, size, lifespan, and fascinating stories of survival, hunting tactics, and even their mating rituals. What type of food do gazelles eat? Gazelles are herbivores, feeding primarily on vegetation available in their habitat. Their diet consists of grass. Gazelles are primarily grazers, consuming short, tender grasses. This is especially common during the rainy season when lush grass is abundant. Leaves and shrubs. During dry seasons or in arid regions, gazelles switch to browsing. They consume leaves, twigs, and shrubs, particularly those with high water content, to compensate for the scarcity of water sources. Fruits and flowers. Gazelles occasionally feed on fruits and flowers when available, which provide essential nutrients and hydration. Diet adaptations. Some gazelle species, like the Grant's gazelle, can survive on a diet rich in dry grasses and shrubs without direct water intake, relying on the moisture in their food. This adaptation allows them to thrive in arid environments. How much food do gazelles consume? The quantity of food a gazelle consumes depends on its size and species. Daily intake. Gazelles eat about 2 to 4 kilograms, 4.4 to 8.8 pounds, of food daily. Smaller species, like the Thompson's gazelle, consume less, while larger species, like the Grant's gazelle, eat more. Feeding times. Gazelles are most active during early mornings and late afternoons, avoiding the heat of the day. This timing helps them conserve energy and avoid predators. Lifespan. How long do gazelles live? The lifespan of a gazelle varies significantly depending on its environment, the presence of predators, and other factors such as food availability, disease, and habitat quality. Understanding their life expectancy provides a window into the challenges and adaptations these graceful creatures face in the wild and in captivity. In the wild, gazelles typically live for 10 to 12 years in the wild. However, several factors influence their longevity. Predation. In the wild, gazelles are constantly under threat from predators such as lions, cheetahs, leopards, hyenas, and wild dogs. Young calves are especially vulnerable, as they are slower and less adept at evading attacks. Environmental conditions. Harsh climates, including droughts and extreme temperatures, can shorten their lifespan. A lack of water and food during dry seasons significantly affects survival rates, especially for older and weaker individuals. Human activity. Habitat loss due to human encroachment and activities like poaching can also limit the lifespan of gazelles. Roads, fences, and urbanization disrupt their natural migration patterns, exposing them to increased danger. Diseases and parasites. In the wild, gazelles are exposed to diseases and parasites that can weaken them over time, reducing their chances of survival. Despite these challenges, gazelles have evolved remarkable adaptations to survive in the wild. Their ability to detect danger from a distance and escape predators with high-speed sprints and zigzag movements are crucial to their longevity. In captivity, gazelles can live up to 15 years in captivity, where they benefit from conditions that mitigate the threats faced in the wild. Protection from predators. In captivity, gazelles are safe from natural predators, which significantly extends their life expectancy. Regular food and water supply. A consistent and balanced diet ensures gazelles in captivity remain healthy, even during seasons when food is scarce in the wild. Veterinary care. Access to medical attention prevents and treats diseases and injuries that would otherwise prove fatal in the wild. Stress-free environment. With fewer threats and environmental pressures, captive gazelles experience less stress, which contributes to their overall well-being and longevity. However, it is important to note that captivity comes with its own challenges. Gazelles are highly active animals that require large spaces to move and behave naturally. Without proper facilities, their physical and psychological health can suffer, potentially shortening their lifespan. Variations by species. Different gazelle species exhibit slight variations in their lifespan, influenced by their specific habitats and adaptive traits. Thompson's gazelle. Among the most common and agile species, they tend to live closer to the average lifespan of 10 to 12 years in the wild. Grant's gazelle. Larger and more robust, these gazelles are better suited to arid conditions, potentially giving them a slight advantage in longevity in areas with fewer predators. Dama gazelle. Critically endangered, these gazelles often face shorter lifespans in the wild due to habitat loss and poaching, though their lifespan in captivity may exceed 15 years with proper care. Stages of life. The lifespan of a gazelle can be divided into distinct stages. Infancy. Newborn gazelles are especially vulnerable to predators and environmental conditions. During the first few weeks, mothers hide their calves in tall grass, where the young remain motionless to avoid detection. Juvenile stage. As juveniles, gazelles learn survival skills like running, detecting danger, and grazing. Predation risk remains high during this stage. Adulthood. Adult gazelles experience their peak physical condition and reproductive activity. This stage is marked by territorial behaviors, mating, and raising offspring. Old age. In their later years, gazelles face declining physical fitness, making them more susceptible to predation and environmental stresses. Gazelle adaptations for longevity. To maximize their lifespan, gazelles have evolved several remarkable adaptations. Efficient digestion. Gazelles' specialized digestive systems allow them to extract maximum nutrients from fibrous plants, helping them survive in nutrient-poor environments. Water conservation. Many gazelle species can survive without direct water intake for extended periods, relying on moisture from their food. Keen senses. Gazelles have excellent vision, hearing, and smell, which enable them to detect predators from afar and avoid danger. Herd behavior. Living in herds provides safety in numbers. Individuals take turns keeping watch, ensuring the group is alert to potential threats. Average weight, length, and height of gazelles. Gazelles are relatively small compared to other antelopes but are perfectly built for speed and agility. Their average physical characteristics are: weight. Gazelles weigh between 15 to 75 kilograms, 33 to 165 pounds, depending on the species. Length. Their body length ranges from 90 to 170 centimeters, 3 to 5.5 feet. Height. Gazelles stand at a height of 55 to 120 centimeters, 1.8 to 3.9 feet, at the shoulder. Build. Gazelles have slender bodies, long legs, and curved horns that can grow up to 30 to 80 centimeters, 1 to 2.6 feet, in length. Fascinating stories of gazelles. Story of survival. The Thompson's gazelle, one of the smallest gazelles, faces constant threats from predators like cheetahs and lions. Despite their small size, they have adapted remarkable survival tactics, such as zigzag running and high-speed sprints reaching up to 60 miles per hour, to evade predators. Herd dynamics. Gazelles often live in herds ranging from a few dozen to hundreds of individuals. These herds offer safety in numbers, as the group works together to detect and evade predators. Coexistence with other species. In ecosystems like the African savanna, gazelles coexist with zebras, wildebeests, and other herbivores. They often graze in mixed groups, benefiting from shared vigilance against predators. Hunting and defense mechanisms. Gazelles are prey animals, not predators. However, their strategies for avoiding predators are worth noting. Speed and agility. Gazelles are among the fastest animals on land, capable of reaching speeds of 50 to 60 miles per hour. They use their speed and agility to escape predators like cheetahs, lions, and wild dogs. Stotting. Gazelles often display a behavior called stotting, where they leap high into the air repeatedly. This behavior serves as a warning to predators and demonstrates the gazelle's fitness, potentially deterring an attack. Vigilance. Gazelles rely on their acute senses of sight, smell, and hearing to detect predators from a distance. In herds, individuals take turns keeping watch, ensuring the group's safety. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.